Strix. Been a long time waiting for you, and then you push me away. Painkillers for breakfast, I ain't feeling the day. I'm fucking geeked up.
What's up guys, my name is Quellow and welcome to yet another tutorial on OBS. Today I'm going to show you the best streaming settings for 720p 60 FPS in 2020 and 2021. Let's go, let's start. Not going to hold you. Stream. Now we're going to click on Twitch, use stream key. You can find the stream key if you type into Google Twitch stream key, and if you're logged into Twitch, it's going to take you straight into Twitch stream key and you can just put it in here. Off we go here. Now output. Let's click on streaming, then advanced. Off we go. Audio track on 1 encoder. Use the NVIDIA encoder for the GeForce graphics. If you have an AMD graphics card, use some for the AMD. There should be some, I'm not sure, but I'm using this. Then go to click on this and for streaming service encoder settings. Rescale output, put that on 720p. I have a 1920 1080 because I don't stream anymore as much, or my internet is just crap from what it used to be. And now go down to rate control, click on CBR, put it on 3500, and then you go to keyframe interval, put that on 0, preset, go on max quality, profile, put it on high, look ahead, check that, psycho visual tuning, click that, GPU put it on 0, and max B frames put it on 2. That's it from the streaming. Let's go on audio. Now desktop audio, put that on what you have. Mic, put that on what you have as well. There's nothing to do here more. Let's go on video. Canvas, put this on what you are using on your monitor. Output, put that on what you want the stream to see. Put it on the 720. Now downscale filter, leave that on 36 or just put it on 36, and common FPS value on 60 for 60 FPS. Now go on general, process priority, put it on high. Go down onto video, put on color space 709 and color range on full. Now one more tip, or whatever tip, if you want to use it, click on general, and here you have automatically record when streaming. Now if you're streaming and you want to put it on YouTube, you should take that. That's really handy, really useful. Then just go and edit it and you can put it on YouTube. Now when you click on this one, you should also probably click on keep recording when streaming stops, so you can make an outro straight off from when you finish your stream. It's really useful. So once you're done with everything, just click on apply and click it out, and that is it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or if you want any help, drop it down into the comment section below. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials like this. Plus, if you want to see some gameplay videos that I have already recorded, drop into my video section and check them out, and hope to see you in the next video and see you in the next one. Cha-ching!